Discovering the right way to use turmeric transformed my health at 68. 3 years ago, my morning routine included 7 different medications for various age-related health issues. Joint stiffness, digestive problems, brain fog, and chronic inflammation had become unwelcome companions in my daily life. Then my integrative medicine doctor suggested something that seemed too simple to work. Turmeric had been sitting in my spice cabinet for years, occasionally used in curry recipes, but never considered as a health tool. The conversation that changed everything happened during a routine appointment when I mentioned feeling frustrated with my declining energy and increasing aches. My doctor explained that most people use turmeric incorrectly, missing out on its potential benefits. The key isn't just taking turmeric, it's how you prepare and consume it that determines whether your body can actually use its active compounds effectively. Curcumin, turmeric's main active ingredient, has poor bioavailability when taken alone. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food shows that curcumin absorption increases dramatically when combined with black pepper and consumed with healthy fats. This simple knowledge changed my entire approach. My morning routine evolved into what I now call my golden preparation. 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, mixed into a cup of warm coconut milk with a teaspoon of raw honey. Consuming this mixture on an empty stomach became the foundation of my health transformation. The piperine in black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, according to studies from the University of Michigan. Without this crucial addition, most curcumin passes through the digestive system unused. The healthy fats from coconut milk further enhance absorption of these fat-soluble compounds. Timing became crucial for maximum effectiveness. Consuming my turmeric mixture 30 minutes before breakfast allowed my digestive system to focus on absorption without competition from other foods. This empty stomach approach seemed to provide more consistent benefits than taking it with meals. The first health improvement I noticed was joint comfort. After 6 weeks of consistent daily use, the morning stiffness in my hands and knees decreased noticeably. Climbing stairs became easier, and my evening walks extended naturally as discomfort diminished. Inflammation markers in my blood work showed significant improvement after 3 months. My C-reactive protein levels dropped from 4.2 milligrams /L to 1.8 milligrams /L, moving me out of the high-risk category for cardiovascular disease. My doctor was impressed with these objective measures of reduced inflammation. Digestive health improvements surprised me most. Chronic bloating that had plagued me for years gradually disappeared, and my bowel movements became more regular. Research from the journal Gastroenterology Research suggests curcumin supports beneficial gut bacteria while reducing digestive inflammation. Brain fog that had been affecting my memory and concentration lifted gradually over several months. Completing crossword puzzles became enjoyable again, and I found myself more mentally sharp during conversations and daily tasks. Studies indicate curcumin may support cognitive function in aging adults. My sleep quality improved unexpectedly. Falling asleep became easier, and I woke up feeling more refreshed. Inflammation reduction throughout the body seems to support better sleep patterns, creating a positive cycle of healing and recovery during rest periods. Cardiovascular health benefits became apparent during my 6-month checkup. Blood pressure readings averaged 10 points lower than previous visits, and my cardiologist noted improved circulation based on physical examination findings. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects benefit the entire cardiovascular system. Seasonal allergies that typically disrupted my spring and fall months became much more manageable. The constant sneezing, watery eyes, and congestion that usually required antihistamines diminished significantly. Curcumin's natural antihistamine properties seem to provide gentle, sustained relief. Preparation quality made a significant difference in my results. Organic turmeric powder provided more consistent benefits than conventional varieties, possibly due to higher curcumin concentrations and absence of pesticide residues that might interfere with the healing process. Individual variations in response became apparent through conversations with friends who tried similar approaches. Some people needed higher doses, others responded better to turmeric capsules with standardized curcumin content, and a few found fresh turmeric root more effective than powder.